Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do confetti overlay to a live video recording using CameraX in native Android application with Media3 effects. So let's get started. So first I'll just show you the output. I'm mirroring my device, so the output might be little laggy, so just bear with me over here. So first I'll just give the camera permission, then it is asking me for record audio permission. I'll give that as well, and I'll just click on the start button. So now you might be wondering where are the confetti. So they will come. It does take a bit of time. Now you can just change this value as well if you feel like. Just concentrate on the right hand side. So here you can see that the confetti are coming. So yeah, it does take a bit of time. Now the confetti code which I have written, I have just copied it from the Google documentation. So maybe you can just do a better job than me and also check why it does take a time to get started. But yeah, like I said, I'm not an expert in this. So yeah, the confetti will keep on coming. I'll just click on the stop button. So now the live camera preview will see the confetti. So yeah, you can just see that as well. So if I now go to our files app just to see the where the file has been saved. Now you might be wondering where are the so here you can see that this is the confetti. So yeah, let's see how to do this. I'm using XML layout, but you can use Jetpack Compose as well. So first thing is you will have to go to build.gradle.kts. Here you will have to add this camera core, camera 2, camera lifecycle, camera video, then the Android X Media 3 effect as well as Media 3 effect. So you'll have to add all this line. Now the versions are written inside version catalog. So you'll have to go to libs.versions.toml over here. Here you will have to add this camera 2, camera lifecycle, then this Media 3 effect, which is in alpha at the time of me recording this video, but hopefully if it is stable by the time you watch it, make sure you use the stable version. Then there is this Media 3 effect dependency as well. Then here we use this camera lifecycle, camera 2, camera core, camera view, camera video as well. So make sure you add all these dependencies over here. And here you have to add this Media 3 effect as well as Media effect dependency, Android X Media 3 effect and Media 3 effect. Then you will see a sync now button. Make sure you just click on that sync now button and it will download all the dependencies for you. Then you will have to go to android manifest.xml. Firstly you will have to make sure the device has camera. That's why we use this use feature. Then we request for camera, record audio as well as write external storage permission. Then just go to res layout activity underscore main.xml, and here first we define our preview view. We pass the id to it, we make the width and height as 0 dp, and we constrain it to all sides of the screen so that it occupies the entire width and height of the screen. Then here we have defined one button where we pass the width and height as wrapped content. We pass the id to it as well. The elevation is 2 dp. We pass the text equal to start, and then we constrain it to bottom of the screen. Okay, then you just have to go to so first just create one confetti overlay. I think, yeah, it is a kotlin file. Okay, like I said, I have just copy pasted this from the documentation, so I'm no expert in this. I'll simply scroll through this file. Feel free to pause the video wherever you feel like and just copy the code. Again, I'm not an expert, so yeah, I'll simply scroll through this. Okay, and these are the different confettis which are getting popped out. So you can just change the symbols to whatever you feel like is right for you. Again, I'll just scroll up. Feel free to pause the video wherever you feel like and just copy this code. Okay, then let's go back to main activity. Again, there are a lot of imports in main activity. Again, I'll simply scroll through this. Feel free to pause the video wherever you feel like and just copy this code. Okay, I'm not sure if this I think this unstable annotation is required. Okay, because this confetti overlay code, this thing is still unstable. Now this confetti overlay is coming from this stable version of Media 3, but even though the library is stable, the APIs are a bit unstable. Yeah, this is one of the quirks of Android development, but hopefully by the time you watch it, you don't require this annotation. but yeah, at least for now we require this. Then here we define our video capture, we define our recorder, here is our executor service. Then we define this preview view as well as our button. Then here we just do register for activity result, requesting for multiple permission. If permission by default this value is true, then we just loop over all these values. If any of them is false, we make this as false. If this is false, we display a toast message, and else we start our camera. Then inside on create, we initialize our viewfinder, we initialize our button. If all permissions are granted, we start our camera, else we request permissions. Then on click of our button, we just call capture of video. Then here we just check if video capture is equal to null, then just return back, else we make our button is enabled equal to false. We assign this recording to this particular variable. If it is not equal to null, we just do current recording dot stop, and we make the recording equal to null, and we return it back. Then we define a simple date format as well for saving the file. Then here we define this content values, where we pass the display name, mime type, and if the version is greater than p, we set the relative path as well. Then we define this media store output options. Then we define the media store output option, we pass the builder, we set the content values as well. Then we do video capture dot output, prepare our recording, and if the audio permission is granted, then we just do with audio enabled as well. We start context compat dot get main executor, and if the event is start, then we just change the button text as well as is enabled. And if it is finalized, then if there are no error, then we display a toast message, else we just stop our recording and make it null, and we just change the button text as well as is unable to true. Then here we has our start camera as well. Then we just do process camera provider dot get instance, we add a listener as well. We just do camera provider future dot get. Then here we do preview view dot builder. Then we just do recorder dot builder, set the quality selector as well. And then we get hold of our default back camera, you do use case group dot builder, add our preview as well as video capture use case. Then here we define our media3 effect as well. Then we define an immutable list of builder, passing our texture overlay. Then we initialize our confetti overlay. Then we set media3 effect dot set effects, pass the overlays builder dot build, and then we just do use case group builder dot add effect of media3 effect. Then we just unbind our camera provider, bind to this particular life cycle as well. So yeah, then here we have another method for requesting permission, another method for checking whether permission was granted. Then here we have this on destroy. Then we have this companion object as well, where we pass the file name format, the required permission, where we pass camera, record audio, and if it is Android version is less than equal to p, then we just pass the right external storage as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.